Hello dear students. Yesterday we have learnt about the knockout tournament, advantages and disadvantages. Today we are going to study about the league or round robin tournament. League tournament is also named as round robin. In this system of tournament, every team has to play with every other team irrespective of win or defeat or draw. Means they have to continue their play, and most of the round robin tournaments teams are playing with each opponent. This tournament is the best type of tournament because it provides the maximum number of opportunities to show the best performance. The real winner can be picked up easily at the end. So for selection procedure, selecting a good player, this tournament is the best way to select a good player. League tournament advantages. There are ample opportunity. In league tournaments, every team has to play with every other team. Thus, it provide ample or maximum opportunity to show their talent. True winner. League tournament help to provide the true or real winner at the end. Thus, deserving teams come up strongly. Improves the performance. It improves good experience to teams to overcome their lacking, thus helping to improve performance. Skilled selection. League tournament help to provide good selection of players or teams. It can provide ranking at the end of the tournament. Good players develop interest and show high performance in the league tournaments. In this type of tournament, the team has sufficient matches to prove their ability and this team overcome with challenges. There are few demerits also that also we have to discuss about this tournament. First one is time consuming. League tournaments are time consuming because there are many matches, number of matches are more, so they are consuming more time. They need large arrangement like more playgrounds, more officials, more finance, etc. These all things should be there if you are going to conduct any tournament through round robin method. Less interest of spectators. Spectators have less interest sometimes because some teams are not good enough and they are getting chances again and again, so they have less interest about the matches. Demoralize weak teams. In this tournament, weak teams often lose interest due to repeated loss of matches and get psychologically demoralized. It is more expensive because league tournament there are large number of matches, large requirement of officials, arrangements, etc. So these are the things, advantages and disadvantages of league tournament. Hope you all have understood. Some more things are there to discuss with you. That is, league tournament is played in various forms, as it can be played as single league tournament or double league tournament. In double league tournament, the team plays twice if teams top in first league group. Combination type tournament means league can be combined with the knockout tournament and vice versa. Knockout can combine with league. So these are the three types basically for league tournaments. Hope you all have understood everything. Just recall it once more. And today's assignment, that you have to learn the definitions of knockout and round robin tournament that we have discussed from last 2 days. So these are all the things. Hope you understood well. Utilize your time at home. Try to use the material which we are trying to provide you online. Stay safe, remain healthy, exercise every day. Thank you.